So that's it, that's gonna be our camp for tonight. This is our host, Mr. Dave. And it's in the middle of nowhere. Let me actually walk to the road quickly. But I think you know where we're at, because it's the massive straight line, and then you have camps. It's gonna be our little crib, our little fancy crib for the night. I think it's up, just to give you just for you to know, they asked 2,200 rupees, so 1,100 each, including dinner and breakfast, which is the good thing. The bad thing is that we didn't even have that cash on us, because I mean, it's obviously our fault. We messed it up. Long story short, we ended up asking, so we had like 1,500, so we're 500 short, 500 down, and the tent next to ours, there's all the bikers, and you see those crazy motherfuckers. They're riding an R6 Yamaha, and on top of riding an R6, they're extremely generous. Hang on, let's see if bye. Can I come in?
Yeah, sure.
How you doing, boy? Oh, smells good.
You want some?
Maybe later, because I'm doing a video, vlogging, and
You want us to come up?
do you mind coming out?
Yeah,
One minute?
Come inside.
Do you mind coming out for 1 minute? Because I want to, because the light is not good here.
Yeah.
Honestly, those guys, this is something else. Guys, okay, आपका नाम क्या है?
My name is Ashrit Yadav.
Ashrit?
Ashrit.
Ashrit.
Yes, yes.
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा Ashrit.
Oh my god.
And your friend?
You speak Hindi?
Nitin.
Yes.
Nitin, those two guys just saved my ass, because I didn't have enough cash, and they nicely gave us 500. So tomorrow we're gonna go together to Leh, and I'm gonna go to the ATM, and I'm gonna give him double. I'm gonna give him
No,
500, 500.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, no,
Do
trust
this.
me, I will, no problem. But guys, you ride a R6,
R3.
R3.
Yeah.
You have big balls. Because this is not a bike for this, you know.
I'm scared of coming till here on this bike, bro.
Yeah,
We were.
I can imagine you scared. Look at those tires,
They're gone.
bro. They're smoother than my ass. It's like, look at
No,
that.
we should continue going to Ladakh on this.
Where are you guys from?
Hyderabad. Telangana.
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So two crazy motherfuckers from Hyderabad. Lifesavers, honestly. Thank you so much, guys.
That's okay.
Thanks
bro.
a lot
Not
for
a
helping Saliha and
All set
I.
for Europe?
Yeah, all set, all good. You have a fuel problem,
Yes.
so
Yes.
you forgot to carry
Yeah.
Yes.
cans.
Actually, no one told us that there'll not be any
Petrol
petrol
bunks.
bunks
Oh,
on the
really?
way.
Ah, that's unlucky. Don't worry. As I said,
Yeah, we'll
we
go
have some
together.
extra.
Yeah.
We go together, and
You can help us if we need.
yeah, if we need, I will carry your bike to Lepo. Don't worry. But yeah, again, guys, thank you so much.
Yeah, it's
So, guys, I was thinking of flying the drone, because obviously it looks fantastic, but it's way too windy. The drone probably take off and smash the mountain right away or something. I don't even want to take the risk. It's way too windy for that. But something I want to do, guys, I've got so much respect for the camp people. I just had a very limited conversation with them, because you know my Hindi. But let me show you. Brother, vlogging. आपका नाम क्या है?
Dhirendra.
Dhirendra. Dhirendra. Yeah? Arjun. So those two legends, they're pretty much looking after the camps. You see, they are cooking. They're cooking some food for tonight.
Dal.
Dal. Okay, some dal for tonight, and mixed veg, and they're pretty much looking after everybody. And something
Roti.
I noticed,
Rice.
doing some rice roti, exactly. And something I noticed when I was sitting and having a chat with them is some numbers crossed on the wall, and I was like, what is this, guys? And they were telling me that they're actually counting the days until they can go back home to their families. It's crazy. Hey Dave. So Dave is the boss, obviously, and yeah, they were telling me about the numbers on the wall.
4 days. We are staying here 128 days.
Yes, exactly. So 128 days. You see, they have been here, and they told me, correct me if I'm wrong, that in September
Yes.
you are going down to
September 20.
September 20. So, okay, so another 3 months,
Yes.
and then you can
4 months.
4.
Yes. We are coming here 11 May.
Oh yeah, so you stay. Okay, so you've been here. Okay. Hang on. What do you mean you come here 11 of May?
Yes.
So not 128 days.
We have coming 11 May, but our business started 15th of May.
The business started 15th of May. So why 128 total days?
Total, yes.
Total days. Okay.
May to September 15.
Okay.
128.
So total days 128.
Yes. After 15th September,
Yeah.
we have closed all of this.
Yeah, you close and you can go
We
back.
are not counting.
You're not
We have counted only business days.
only business days.
Yes.
Yes. And they were telling me you are from Kulu?
Yes.
Kulu, yeah. And they are from the Spiti district.
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand?
Jharkhand state.
What is this?
District. Jharkhand is near Bihar,
Near Bihar.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, near.
Oh, UP.
Yes.
Oh, nice, Papa. UP. UP. And you are Himachal Pradesh?
Yes.
Yes. Beautiful. So you see, that's what I was saying. I have so much respect for those people because they pretty much cater for everybody who comes every day. Someone has to do it, you know. So thanks a lot, guys. On behalf of everybody, thank you because you're doing an amazing job. And they're very nice to me, accommodating, as you know. So yeah, big shout out. So Dave, something I just realized now, they don't have internet access
Yes.
for 4 months.
Yes.
I mean, for me it's unthinkable, of course. Like 2 days is already too much.
We have a good family here.
Yeah.
No internet, don't worry. We don't here. Good family.
So, but not family, friends.
No, we have all
Yeah, you like a family.
Yes, like
yeah,
a
you like a
family.
family.
good family.
Good family. Wow. Yeah, no. Guys, could you do it? Let's be honest. 4 months without internet, I don't think you can. Not in 2022. But you said that if you have emergency, you can make phone
Yes,
calls.
we have-
Phone calls, no problem.
Only calls, yes.
Okay. And how does it work with the satellite phone?
No. We have tower, Geo tower.
You have
Geo.
Geo tower.
Yes.
Geo tower. So you can make phone call, but
Yes.
no data, no internet.
No.
Okay. Wow. Crazy. Awesome, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'll come back for dinner
Okay.
because it smells good. Guys, wow. Could you, honestly, let's be honest. Could you do that? 4 months, no internet here, just catering for people. During my days in Australia, there was the mining sector. So it's a very, I want to say similar lifestyle, but I think they have internet there. Maybe not, but they are paid a lot. So the only, I'm not gonna lie, the only way for me to accept this kind of job in this situation, in this place, although as beautiful as it is, well, you better pay me some good money, because otherwise no way I'm staying down in the valley with my 4G. So I just turned the generator on to get some power, and they're cooking, getting everything ready. Oh, you see, beautiful. He's a happy chef. Mixed veg. And can you show the different spices? That's what I love, you know. That's awesome. A typical Indian stuff, you know. Traditional Indian dinner in the middle of nowhere. That's exactly that's adventure. That's proper adventure. Thanks a lot, man. I mean, thanks a lot to you as well. Thanks to everybody. Yeah, that's awesome. What time do you stop the generator?
Sorry?
The generator power? What time do you stop?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock
Yes.
finish?
After dinner, we are
Yeah, after dinner, yeah.
Yes.
So dinner is 9 p.m.
Yes.
11 o'clock, everybody sleep.
Yes.
And tomorrow is another day.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. So good morning guys, I'm with R3. He's the owner of the camp.
Yeah.
We stayed last night. He's originally from Himachal Pradesh.
Yeah.
And what's your village?
My village name is Darcha.
Darcha. Oh, you live in Darcha?
Darcha, yeah.
Oh my god, that's where I was stuck for 2 days. Yeah, Darcha is after Jispa.
After Jispa.
Yeah, cool. And he wants to try the bike.
Yeah.
So that's it. Go for it, brother.
Okay.
One. Easy. Look at him coming back. My GoPro battery failed me again, I think because of the cold. So I'm using my phone now.
Okay, nice bike.
Ah!
Nice bike.
No worries, bro. Do you remember my two heroes? My two heroes from Hyderabad. So, Nitin,
Yeah.
Ashu.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And I can't believe they've been driving for 2,000, how many?
2,500 approximately.
Look at that, guys. This is unbelievable. Two of them on a bike, plus the bike, and a tire smoother than a baby's butt. Kudos to you guys.
Thank you, bro.
And so, tell me, bro, what's your plan? What's your objective?
We're thinking of reaching Leh today, if it
Yes.
is possible.
Yeah,
If the weather cooperates with us.
it is possible.
If not, then we'll stop near wherever we can. That's it.
But I mean, your final, when you left Hyderabad, what was your final goal? You told me last
It
night.
was like
the
I did not expect that the trip would last so long.
I know, but you wanted to go all the way too. You told me the very high
Yeah,
Kartung?
it is Kartungla.
Kartungla.
Yeah. Plan is still there.
So he
it
left
is
the
possible.
comfort of his home to go to one of the most deadly roads on the planet.
It is probably the highest motorable road on the planet.
Yes.
So it is a dream
Yeah.
to reach there.
And Ashu used to be a racer.
Yeah,
He used to race a lot. Unfortunately, he had a big accident.
that's okay, bro.
Yeah.
Sounds cool.
But he still, you see, doesn't stop him from riding. And Nitin is the
Nathan is a photographer.
photographer. Yeah. Photographer / best passenger.
I'm the
That's
best
good.
passenger. Oh, this guy's riding.
Are you riding?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you don't. Oh yeah, you don't ride, eh?
No, it is actually difficult for me to ride on these terrains.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I was.
If there is a highway or something, I can manage. but
Yeah. Okay. Time for breakfast. You guys join us, eh?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Let's go.
Breakfast ready.
Breakfast ready. Let's go for breakfast. You show me, brother. You show me. What breakfast kana? What kana?
Breakfast.
Kia.
Omelette, bread,
Omelette. Oh, bread.
paratha.
Fantastic. Paratha. Chai.
chai bhi.
Oh yes, chai. Beautiful. So in here,
Idhar.
not like here last night. I was waiting for dinner here. Okay. How are you, Dave?
Yeah, fine.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Take breakfast.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. So ready to leave. Everything is packed up. And one last time with the guys from the camp. You know, the real hero. Without them, it would be very different. So this is Dorje camp.
This is
Don't-
holiday makers.
Holiday maker, Sachu.
Yes.
Sachu. Where is Dorje camp? I saw Dorje. It's the next one, eh?
Yeah.
So when you come from Baralacha, it's
Yes,
the
yes.
second camp.
Yeah.
Is it, eh?
Yes.
Second camp. So you will recognize Dave with his beautiful haircut. You see, you can't miss him. So thanks a lot for everything, guys. Really appreciate it. Very nice of you.
Okay, thank you.
See, they have nice tents, nice food,
Oh, thank you.
nice tea. So good luck for everything, guys. Another 3 months for you. Good luck, guys.